When accuracy is essential, the Stabila LX300G laser level ensures you achieve it with ease. Equipped with advanced green beam technology, this laser level casts sharp, bright lines ideal for precise indoor tasks. Whether you're aligning walls, ceilings, or floors, its flexible setup options, such as floor placement, tripod mounting, or attaching to metal surfaces, make it a must-have tool. With a visibility range of up to 100 feet, it's perfect for projects of varying scales, and a robust 15-hour battery life keeps it running through long work days without constant recharging. For those dedicated to achieving top-tier results, the Stabila LX300G is a powerhouse of performance and precision. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Diamond Core Drill is engineered to deliver high-performance concrete drilling with top-notch control and accuracy. Powered by a durable power-state brushless motor, this drill is capable of boring holes up to 152 millimeters in reinforced concrete. Key safety features like its patented clutch and auto-stop technology prevent loss of control by automatically halting the drill if the bit encounters a jam. Integrated RedLink Plus intelligence provides real-time feedback through onboard sensors, ensuring precise pressure application. The MX Fuel Red Lithium battery offers cordless convenience, eliminating the hassle of extension cords, and it's compatible with the OneKey app for tool tracking and remote locking. This versatile drill is suitable for both wet and dry applications, making it an indispensable tool for construction pros. Woodpecker's Blade Saver system offers superior protection and convenience for storing saw blades. With its design, there's no need to handle sharp blade teeth directly. Just lay the blade flat, wrap it with the protective cover, latch it, and it's ready to hang using the built-in hook. Each blade saver keeps your saw blades isolated, preventing accidental damage from contact with other tools. Made from tough ABS plastic, this guard will offer years of protection. Available for both 10 and 12-inch blades, Woodpecker's Blade Saver is a well-crafted, reliable way to extend the life of your valuable blades. Keeping job sites tidy has never been simpler than with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3-in-1 Backpack Vacuum. Built for portability and performance, it's powered by a brushless power-state motor combined with cyclonic technology, ensuring robust suction while extending the motor's and filter's lifespan. Its bagless design means hassle-free debris disposal. Just press a button to empty the canister. The vacuum's versatile quick-release harness lets you wear it, hang it, or carry it. A high-efficiency HEPA filter traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, and its quiet 76 decibel operation minimizes noise. Plus, it connects seamlessly to power tools and even works on ladders. With essential attachments and easy adaptability to a canister-style setup, the M18 Fuel Backpack Vacuum makes cleaning fast, effective, and effortless. Designed for accuracy and durability, the iCrimp IWS is built for seamless PEX pipe connections. It's compatible with 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch copper rings and meets ASTM F1807 standards, ensuring high-quality PEX pipe connections. Smooth jaws prevent ring damage to ensure tight, leak-proof seals, and it's crafted from durable steel for long-lasting performance. Despite its robust construction, it's lightweight and features short handles, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The iCrimp IWS is an essential tool for professionals working with PEX pipes, as it delivers both reliability and efficiency. The ToughBuilt StackTech 1 and 3-drawer toolboxes bring a new level of functionality to job site tool storage with their innovative design and user-focused features. As the first in a series of drawer-based storage options for the StackTech system, these toolboxes prioritize both accessibility and durability. With an intuitive self-aligning top, auto-locking interface, and single-point slide switch, StackTech remains the only storage system on the market that allows for truly one-handed operation. Ideal for pros who need quick access without unstacking multiple boxes. Inside each drawer, self-latching mechanisms and a set of 8 dividers give users complete control over their organization, allowing for efficient space partitioning. For added customization, quick-release steel accessory rails let users adapt their setup to fit various tools and accessories without needing additional hardware. Built to endure tough environments, these toolboxes feature armored corners and steel ball-bearing slides for smooth, reliable performance even under rugged conditions. The PiCo pipe is a handheld blasting tool engineered for precision cleaning in hard-to-reach spaces. Available in multiple sizes to suit various surface areas, it's perfect for detailed cleaning in areas where larger tools fall short. Using pressure-controlled aluminum oxide, the PiCo pipe efficiently cleans surfaces to an SA3SP5 quality standard, restoring materials to a like-new state. It excels at cleaning the edges of existing paint, prepping surfaces for further treatment. With its compact size and reliable performance, the PiCo pipe is an invaluable tool for professionals needing a thorough, effective solution for small surface cleaning. The RIDGID FlexShaft K912 is a powerful compact tool designed to handle residential drain cleaning efficiently. Ideal for clearing blockages in 1 to 2 inch pipes, this tool brings professional-grade functionality into a smaller, more manageable package. The FlexShaft cable, housed within a durable nylon sheath, is powered by a cordless drill, which spins a chain knocker that expands outward, ensuring a full wall-to-wall cleaning of pipes. This mechanism allows it to tackle even the most stubborn blockages with minimal mess, as the cable's enclosure helps contain debris for a cleaner working environment. The FlexShaft K912's lightweight portable design makes it quick to set up and easy to clean and store when not in use. The built-in clutch mechanism is another standout feature, as it extends the cable's life and improves the tool's overall durability. This tool can be stored vertically or horizontally, and used in a variety of orientations, making it an adaptable solution for drain maintenance. The DEWALT DCS 571 circular saw is a versatile and powerful tool designed to handle a variety of cutting tasks. As part of DEWALT's advanced 18-volt XR line, this circular saw is perfect for materials ranging from OSB and flooring to cement board, and even for making holes in floors or roof battens. Its robust, brushless motor allows for deep cuts, while its built-in blower keeps the cutting line clear of sawdust, improving visibility and accuracy. With one battery charge, the DCS 571 can make up to 70 cuts, making it ideal for long work days without needing constant recharging. Safety features include a lock-off switch and an automatic brake, which quickly halts the blade when not in use. This circular saw is a reliable addition to any toolkit, balancing power, precision and safety for professional or DIY use. The ES1403 corner grinder is a German-engineered, highly specialized tool built for precision grinding in confined or hard-to-reach areas. Integrating a triple-head grinding system, this tool ensures consistent performance on corners, edges, and other intricate spaces where standard grinders may struggle. It's especially useful in finishing tasks around window reveals, staircases, under radiators, and during tile or plaster renovations. With a removable brush rim, the ES1400 provides precise edge grinding across a range of materials, including concrete, screed, tile adhesive, paint, and carpet adhesive. An advanced dust extraction system and soft start feature minimize mess and maximize safety. Its powerful 12-amp motor and 134mm disc diameter combine power and portability, making it ideal for demanding tasks in confined spaces. This grinder is an exceptional tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, delivering precision and control. The Wera BitCheck 30 is a top-notch bit set that provides durability, precision and convenience in one compact package. It comes with a rapid-apter bit holder, enabling quick, one-handed bit changes, which is especially useful for jobs requiring frequent swapping of bits. The set includes 29 diamond-coated bits, specially engineered to handle high force from drill drivers while maintaining wear resistance. The diamond particles on the bit tips ensure a firm grip on screw heads, preventing slippage and reducing the need for excessive force, which helps minimize fatigue. Each bit is color-coded for easy identification, allowing for quick selection of the right size and type. The slim, durable case keeps all bits organized and easy to transport while protecting them from wear. The Crescent Lufkin steel long tapes are designed to enhance measurement precision and efficiency, making them ideal for various job sites and construction projects. With a 3x1 rotating hub, these tapes rewind quickly, helping to protect the crank assembly during storage. An extra-wide, dual-sided end hook provides added grip, and the blade's two-sided design offers versatility for different measurement needs. The ergonomically designed handle minimizes the risk of knuckle busting, with a built-in stop that lets the crank travel smoothly over fingers during retraction. Encased in a rugged and durable housing, this tape measure is built to withstand tough job site conditions while ensuring user comfort. For anyone needing accurate and hassle-free measuring, the Crescent Lufkin steel long tape is an indispensable tool that combines durability, ease of use and efficiency. The Klauke Ease 20 RMC remote cutter is engineered for strength, precision and safety, providing a unique remote control capability for high-demand cutting jobs. Designed to tackle tough materials such as Al-Saint conductors, solid Al-Q cables and laminated copper bus bars, this cutter's remote functionality allows for operation from a safe distance, ideal for high or hard-to-reach cuts. It works seamlessly with telescopic rods, giving users added convenience and safety. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, the ES20 RMC provides robust performance with a high-capacity battery that charges quickly. Its Bluetooth capability enables monitoring via the iPress app, where users can view data on the tool's performance. Added features such as an LED work light, automatic retraction, and quick motor stop enhance both safety and efficiency, making this tool a smart investment for professionals working in challenging environments. The Milwaukee cordless bandsaw is a cordless tool that packs all the power and durability of a traditional corded saw, offering unmatched versatility for a wide range of cutting tasks. This tool is built with Milwaukee's trademark quality, designed to handle diverse materials without sacrificing performance. Thanks to its deep cut capacity, it can work with larger materials without needing repositioning, enhancing productivity, and allowing cuts that a traditional bandsaw may struggle to achieve. With impressive battery life, the bandsaw keeps working throughout the day without constant recharging, delivering fast, efficient cuts with every use. Safety features are a priority with this tool, including an enclosed blade to minimize exposure and a dual trigger system for added control. Whether you're working on a construction site or in a workshop, this bandsaw is a versatile, efficient, and safe tool that's up to any challenge.